So to be able to transfer your Pi to our OKX, you're first going to go to our OKX over here, and you're going to click on Wallet. In our wallet, you're just simply going to search here. After clicking your receive, simply search for Pi over here at the top, and you should be able to see here Pi Network. Select the Pi Network over here, and you should then be able to have your address or your QR code. Simply copy your Pi address over here. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our Pi, and we're just simply going to click on Pay or Request over here in our wallet. And then you're going to click on Manually Enter or Manually Add Wallet Address. You're simply going to paste our address in our wallet address area over here, enter how much Pi you're going to transfer, and just simply click on Send over here. Then simply click on Confirm, and then you should then be able to receive Pi in your OKX. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.